Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily access Midjourney using your Discord account. To start, search for midjourney.com in your web browser. Once the main page opens, click the Sign In button located in the bottom left corner. You will then need to log into your Discord and Midjourney accounts. If your accounts are already set up, just click Authorize to continue. Now you have access to the Midjourney site where you can browse the community showcase. To begin creating images, you must link it to Discord by clicking Join the Discord to start creating. This will open an invitation to the server. Click Accept Invite and complete the human verification by selecting the required images, like the croissants shown here. If it prompts you again, simply repeat the invite and verification steps. The Discord app will then launch in your browser with the Midjourney server added to your account. That is how easy it is to join. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.